4 months ago, I started a 20 days challenge on my Instagram where I was studying for my semester exams with the intention to finish the video lectures of PSM on Marrow, which was pending for a long time. At the beginning, I had only 25 lectures watched, and by the 16th day, I finally watched all the 100 lectures of PSM. Each and every day of the challenge has been documented on my page, so I'm not going to say किस दिन क्या किया. Instead, I'll tell you how did I manage to pull this off, जो कि इतने दिन से as a burden feel होता था. And if you are new to my channel, hey everyone, I'm Adil Ahmed, a final year medical student from MMCH Murshidabad. The number one point which I'm going to highlight is accountability. See, when you publicly announce a goal or share it with someone, you create an external pressure and you are less likely to turn your back from that task because of that sense of accountability. For me, it was my Instagram challenge because I knew people were following my progress and I couldn't afford to back off. For this, you can try making your goal public, share it with a friend or post it online, or even just write it down somewhere visible. For others, making videos might seem like a distraction, but for me, it is like a source of motivation. Recording my progress and sharing my small wins fulfills my dopamine requirements, and during the days when I'm recording myself, I try to get more work done क्योंकि वो videos में भी देखने में अच्छा लगता है, and it also gives me a better sense of accomplishment. Now you don't have to make videos, but you can find something that makes the process more enjoyable for you, like studying with friends or rewarding yourself after completing milestones. Coming to the third point, I knew that watching that many lectures in 20 days meant I had to be more consistent. Now, since I used Marrow printed notes, I did not have to write anything else except a few points here and there. And since I also knew how well Dr. Mukmohit sir has explained the concepts, I could easily watch the lectures in 2x, which saved a lot of time. Also, I had a clear target of finishing at least 5 lectures per day, and since not all days are the same, one day I even managed to watch 12 lectures while some days it was just 3. But during the days when I was not in the mood of watching lectures, I used to solve the Marrow Cubanks to make the time worthwhile. देखो, motivation comes and goes, but discipline keeps you going. During the challenge, I did not always feel like studying, but I reminded myself कि 20 days का effort है, उसके बाद I could clear months of backlog, especially because आगे जाके semester exams आने वाले थे. So I knew I had to do it anyhow. इसलिए start watching 100 lectures is a big number. Many students give up by the end of the year and start looking for other short resources. So if you remain consistent, it's just like a piece of cake. Now, one thing which I made sure was to eliminate distractions while watching lectures, be it mobile phones or spending time with friends. एक बार study session खत्म हो जाता, उसके बाद जितना enjoy करना होता है दोस्तों के साथ, I used to do. लेकिन during those study sessions, no distractions. My friends also did not bother me because they also knew about the challenge and the sense of accountability for me. And as said earlier, if you find yourself zoning out while watching lectures, try active learning, like solving questions or writing notes on a rough copy or discussing topics with a friend. Now, the hardest part of any challenge is getting started. The first few days were tough, but once I built the momentum, it became easier. And जैसे जैसे 100th mark पे पहुंचने वाले थे, I got more and more confidence to finish the challenge. Lastly, I would say just start. Even if you don't feel ready, take that first step. Once you gain momentum, everything else falls into place. And video अच्छा लगा तो like, comment and share कर देना. You can also follow me on my Instagram. I post regular updates there. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.